I love an RC car. And do you know what's in an RC car? An RC car servo motor. So why not use servo motors to play the melodica? So the song that I picked is Seven Nation Army, and it's quite a simple song. Let me demonstrate. First up, I have to switch on my vacuum motor. So, well, gotta reset it, put it back in. Okay, the vacuum motor is on. Now this is Seven Nation Army. Okay, that's Seven Nation Army. Now count with me. That's 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. So basically, I need 5 RC car servos, and I have connected those 5 RC car servos. So basically, I wired it so I just use one remote. But one remote won't be possible unless you do this method. So basically, this is a 4-channel RC car remote. Let me demonstrate the channels. So we got channel 1, we got left, right, that's channel 1. Channel 2, we got forward, backward. And then channel 3, we have a button here and a button here. That's 3 and 4. So basically, I have 5 RC car servos. So in order to play Seven Nation Army, I have to wire 2 RC car servos to one channel. That will give me the ability to play the full song. So basically what's happening is, as you can see, when I go forward, the first servo moves and the second servo moves. The second servo is also connected, so it moves, but it moves in the opposite direction. Then when I go backwards, the second servo that's connected to the same channel moves as well. And the other one moves in the opposite direction. This allows me to get 2 extra channels from one remote. So basically, as you can see, this is how it moves. So we got E, E, G, E, D, C, and in the button is our B. But the button, I have to click it 2 times. So on, off. As you can see, now let me get to testing it finally. So let me just demonstrate with one note to show you that it works. Vacuum motor on. Okay. It works. So let's play the song, shall we? Okay, so it's built and ready to go. But before we start, let's start off with an intro, shall we? Okay, let's go. Yeah, that's the good stuff. This is the good stuff. Okay, let's get this vacuum motor running, shall we? We need to find that good idle speed, because this thing has plenty of power, but we need like 10%. Perfect. Okay, let's give it a try. Woo, that's perfect. Yes. Okay, let's give it some more speed. Perfect. It worked beautiful. Now the main question is, what would happen if I had two of these remotes? Will I be able to play better? But it worked perfectly. So basically, in order to maximize the speed of the song, I would need to install faster servos, which would maximize the playing speed and limit that delay speed. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. Hope to see you in another video. Please consider watching other videos because you'll get to see me sooner than waiting for the next video. No, I think it's perfect if I just play from this way. Okay, so how many servos would I need to play Moonlight? So it goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6. I would need about 6 servos. Plus, you can't go without more. So you gotta go. Wait, more power? Wow, it's beautiful.